Hi, welcome to KiviCare, the most simple and affordable self-hosted EHR solution for clinics and private practices. KiviCare is email notification and reminder service which will send emails whenever something is changing in your system to the users. And there are some pre-made templates available for those emails which can be modified. So in this video we will see how to change them in KiviCare. So let's start. For that, firstly you have to go into the settings, and in the email templates you can see we have the list for the templates. We have many templates for the clinics, doctor, patient and others. Now let's see one of them. In the clinic there are different templates for different action. This is for the clinic admin registration notification, and there are some dynamic keys that we have added in it, and below that we have the message that will go for the reminder, and you can change that message in any way you want. But one thing that you have to remember is you can't just change this dynamic key to randomly. You can only use the dynamic key that we have mentioned above in the blue boxes. You can use them only. You can't use any other out of this template. And you can see that every template has their own dynamic keys, and we have made many templates for every action that the module needs. We have for the doctor, patient, receptionist, common template, and now let's go and do some changes in one of the templates. So I will go into the clinic template and I will add a line in it which is on this date, and I will use this dynamic key which is current date in it. You can use any of this key according your need. I am using this one. You can also use this current date in time, and what this will do is it will show the current date on which the email is sent to this person, and you can just click on save and it will be saved in here. We have also given this option where you can send a test email to yourself, so you can just select the email ID and just change the text and click on send, and it will send a custom email to this mail ID. You can see there is one error coming which shows that we haven't set up our email server SMTP. So before starting your email service, you have to make sure that your email server SMTP has been set up. If you don't know how to do that, we have created a video about it. You can check out the documentation or our playlist and do it right away. And these are some of the templates that we have created for the email services. You can check them out and use it however you want. So try KiviCare free demo today.